In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable safety settings for prompts in Google AI Studio. Safety settings help you prevent harmful or inappropriate content from appearing in model responses, which is essential when you're sharing demos, collaborating with a team, or working in sensitive contexts. We'll walk through the exact controls you need and set a strong baseline that you can adjust later if needed. Start by opening your browser and going to astudio.google.com. This is Google's interface for experimenting with models and prompts. Give the page a moment to load so the right side panel and controls appear fully. Next, click Playground. The Playground is where you can type prompts and see responses in real time, making it the best spot to tune your guardrails before you build workflows or share results. On the right side of the screen, click Advanced Settings. This opens a configuration area that influences how the model behaves in the playground, including output formatting, model options, and the safety controls we're focusing on today. Within Advanced Settings, look for Safety Settings and click Edit. This brings up a dedicated moderation panel. These controls let you decide what the system should allow or block in its responses to reduce the chance of harmful or off-topic output showing up while you work. You'll see separate categories for harassment, hate, sexually explicit content, and dangerous content. These map to common safety risks. Harassment covers abusive or insulting material. Hate addresses content that targets protected groups. Sexually explicit focuses on adult or graphic sexual material. Dangerous content relates to material that could enable self-harm or real-world harm. Each category provides levels that range from more permissive to more restrictive filtering. For a stricter and safer experience, change each category to Block Most. Selecting Block Most activates the strongest default filtering for each area. This is ideal for classrooms, demos, or collaborative environments where minimizing exposure to problematic text is a priority. Be aware that stricter filters can sometimes block borderline yet acceptable content. That's a normal trade-off when prioritizing safety. If you find the results too constrained for a legitimate use case, you can later dial back a specific category rather than loosening everything at once. Once you've made these selections, the playground applies them immediately, so the next prompts you try will follow your new rules. The settings you chose serve as a clear baseline, consistent, easy to explain to collaborators, and simple to revert or refine as your project evolves. And that's it. You've enabled robust safety settings for your prompts in Google AI Studio, giving you greater control and confidence as you build, test, and share your work.